Welcome to Science of Clothes. Where do clothes come from? How are clothes colored? Let's see the 7 easy steps. 1. Twist fibers. We start with fibers. Line up all the short fibers in the same direction. Next, twist the short fibers together to make long, strong threads. Fibers come from plants and animals. Cotton and flax grow on plants. Money is made from cotton and flax fibers. Sheep make wool. Silk comes from caterpillar cocoons. People also mix chemicals to make fibers like polyester. Next, we want color. 2. Color threads. Color is bounce light. White light is actually a rainbow of colors. Most of the colors are absorbed. We see the color that bounces back to our eyes. So what are dyes? Dyes are chemicals that change the chemistry of cloth so different light waves are absorbed and reflected. Next, need to connect threads. 3. Weave cloth. 3 different threads are loaded in a loom. 2 threads go through tiny rings. Every other thread is lifted up. This makes a space for the 3rd thread to go across. Next, the other threads are lifted up. The 3rd thread goes across again. The over and under threads keep cloth from coming apart. 4. Weave patterns. Threads with different colors are loaded in the loom. Sometimes, computers control which threads are lifted when. Also, what color thread goes across when. The result weaves colorful patterns. There are more ways to add colors to cloth. 5. Color cloth. Here are 2 ways to add color to white cloth. A flat screen has a pattern of closed and open parts. The colored dye flows through the open parts and onto the cloth. Other screens add color to different places to make patterns. The most popular way to add colors to cloth is roller print. They work with the same idea as the flat screen, just round and much faster. Next, we need to shape the cloth. 6. Cut and sew clothes. First, sharp wedge shapes blades cut layers of cloth into different shaped pieces. Sew the pieces together with 2 threads. 1 thread in a needle comes down and makes a loop. The 2nd thread goes through the loop to make a stitch. Stitches hold clothes together. 7. More kinds and colors of clothes. Socks are made by loops of threads. Felt is made by smashing and gluing fibers together. Colors are screen printed onto shirts. T-shirt can also be tied and dyed into tie-dye patterns. To close on clothes, we twist fibers into threads. We weave threads into cloth. Sometimes we weave patterns with colored thread. Often, rollers print patterns onto cloth. Look at the labels to see what clothes are made of. Guess at how clothes are made. Think about adding the colorful patterns. Today, we are lucky to have so many kinds of colors of clothes.